Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna teach you how you can do a no profile picture on Facebook just like this. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to do a no profile picture on Facebook, of course, the first step is to open your Facebook app. And once you've opened your Facebook app, what I want you to do next is to go and tap your profile. Now that you're on your profile, now tap the profile picture. Then tap See Profile Picture. Now that you're on your profile picture, the next step is to tap these three dots in the top right corner. And after that, you will now be able to see the delete photo option. Go and tap it to remove your profile picture. And for the last step, tap delete. And after that, it's done. We have successfully did the no profile picture on Facebook. And that's just how to do the no profile picture on Facebook, guys. It's easy, right? Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.